Today I'll be taking you along on my grocery store run, and then I'm going to share with you what I eat in a day as a vegan. Hello everyone, como está café? It's your girl Jasmine here, and my channel is all about clean beauty, clean eating, clean living, and all that good jazz. So if you want to join in on the fun, make sure you're subscribed and turn on your notifications. That way whenever I post a video, you will be the first to know. I want to give a huge thank you to Hexclad for partnering with me on this video, and this could not have come at a better time because next month, February, I'll actually be celebrating my 7-year vegan anniversary, and I've come a long way from the struggle meals I used to create to the artisanal elevated meals that I make now. I want to share with you just how easy it is to incorporate quick, delicious, easy, one skillet vegan meals to your weekly menu. If I can give you just one bit of advice, it would be to eat at least one vegan meal a day, like one wholesome vegan meal a day, because I know that it will improve your life, your health immensely. I'm gonna get off my soapbox. I'm gonna grab my grocery list right here, and then I'm gonna put baby down, or I'm gonna give baby to dad, and we are off to the grocery store. So let's go. And we're back. It is the very next day, and I'm about to start cooking breakfast now that little miss is down for her first nap. What makes cooking enjoyable and bearable for me these days is the simplicity of it all. One skillet meals saves me time and lessens the amount of things I have to clean at the end of it all. Secondly, the cookware I choose to cook with is key. The Hexclad cookware set is amazing because it's non-stick. It has these hexagonal patterns on it which help the food not stick to the pan, which is amazing. It's durable. You get a lifetime warranty with this cookware set, so you don't got to worry about, replacing it at all. Ever. It's versatile. You can sear things, you can, use it in the oven for up to 500 degrees. And what I love most about it is these stay cool handles. They stay cool on any stovetop. And most importantly for me is the non-toxic element of these pans. You don't have to worry about any of harmful chemicals leaching into your food. This is completely safe to use, and I have a growing family. I want to make sure that they live happy, healthy lives. So Hexclad sent me over their 8, 10, and 12-inch skillets, but they have other cookware sets available on the website. They have woks, they have griddles, they have knives, you name it, they got it. And if you are interested in checking them out, I have a discount code for you, and everything will be available in the description box for you to check out. So, being that Valentine's Day is coming up, you probably want to gift your loved ones some cookware, or you want to gift yourself some cookware. So if you love chefing it up in the kitchen, if you know somebody who loves chefing it up in the kitchen, this could be a really good gift. So I'm gonna be cooking breakfast now, and for today's breakfast I'm doing chickpea fritters with sauteed veggies and avocado. Amazing. Before I do any cooking on the Hexclad skillets, definitely want to mention it is important that you season all of your cookware, and it's super simple. You just heat up your skillet over the stove top, let it warm up, then add in a teaspoon of your oil of choice. I like using avocado oil, and you let that cook for maybe like 2-3 minutes before cooking all of your meals, and that is pretty much it. You are good to go after that. I've made chickpea fritters countless times on my channel. If you want a recipe, definitely check out the blog. It's jasminerose.com. And also, I know I'm using 2 skillets here, but I just wanted to show you the capabilities of each. I'm just sauteing the veggies here, making sure to, move around and season well. But in terms of the chickpea fritters, just look how effortlessly it comes off the pan. Like, it's incredible. And if you don't want to use oil on the pan, you really don't have to. It still won't stick. Being that I am exclusively breastfeeding, I have to eat because the amount of calories breastfeeding burns is just incredible. Okay, I'm hungry all the time, I'm thirsty all the time, so I have to make sure I'm getting in all of my nutrients. I typically don't do lunch, but the fact that I am breastfeeding, it takes up a lot of my energy. I need to have something in between breakfast and lunch, and so I'm gonna have something a little light, and it's gonna be a kale Caesar salad. It is super simple. I've already pre-made the dressing, which is made from hummus and capers and all that good jazz. But yeah, super easy to do. You just mix all the greens together. Add some Parmesan, and I'll be using the Violife Parmesan, which is life, and some croutons, and you are good to go. You got yourself a delicious, flavorful salad. This right here, oh my goodness, so good. I added avocados to it, and it just takes it up another notch. Like, so good. All right, so I'm gonna finish this salad and pump. Until next time, bon appetit. Veggie stir fry, so nutritious, so delicious, and it's easy, and it's a one skillet meal. So let's get cooking. First things first, I wash the broccoli and bell peppers. Then I separate the broccoli into bite-sized florets, and then I cut into smaller pieces and transfer into a large bowl. With the bell peppers, I seed and medium dice, and then add that to the bowl as well. Next, I'm taking my 12-inch hex-clad skillet and putting that over medium-high heat. While the skillet is heating up, I am peeling and mincing the garlic, and then I also like to grate the ginger. Next, I'm going to prepare the sauce, and I prepare that by whisking together soy sauce and cornstarch. Now that the hex-clad skillet has heated up, I'm going to coat the bottom of the skillet with coconut oil. Then I add the garlic, ginger, and crushed red pepper, and I cook that for about 15 to 30 seconds. Once that is fragrant, I'm going to add all the vegetables from the bowl to the skillet, and then I'm going to stir fry that until tender crisp, which is around 4 to 5 minutes. Next, I'm going to add the sauce and cashews to the skillet. I stir fry until the vegetables and cashews are well coated with sauce, which is around 1 to 2 minutes. The thing that makes the hex-clad cookware set so different is that you can actually use metal utensils on them. They're also dishwasher safe, and you don't have to worry about having any sort of toxic chemicals leaching into your food. That's something that I really appreciate about these pans. I like to serve this stir fry over jasmine rice. It is so delicious, so amazing, and perfect if you are looking for a one skillet recipe to try out. So I'm off to have dinner with the family now. I want to thank you all so much for watching today's video. If you want to see more what I eat in a day content, definitely like this video for more, and also let me know in the comment section what other videos you want to see from me. Huge thank you to Hexclad for partnering with me on this video today. You are the best. I want to thank you all so much for watching and supporting and subscribing to my channel, and I will see you all in the next one. Peace.